Hayu is a reality TV streaming service available on Comcast's Xfinity Flex in the US and Rogers Ignite TV in Canada. To access on Xfinity, search for Hayu in the Flex App Store or X1 cable interface. For Rogers Ignite TV, add Hayu as a channel via the TV Guide or Rogers app. Keep in mind that Rogers Xfinity TV may refer to Xfinity in North America. A subscription costs $5.99 USD month in the US and $7.99 cap month in Canada. There is no free trial available on cable platforms. With Hayu, you can watch ad-free, on-demand reality content, e.g. The Only Way is Essex, Made in Chelsea, Real Housewives spin-offs. To subscribe to Hayu, visit hayu.com or use the app on your cable TV device. On Xfinity, select Subscribe and enter your payment details. Rogers Ignite TV users can add it via the TV Guide or Rogers app. After subscribing, create an account with an email and password. On cable TV, sign in directly via the Hayu app. If linked to your cable provider, use your Xfinity ID for one-click login. Once signed in, browse categories like new releases, celebrity, or lifestyle. Use voice search on compatible TVs to find shows. Stream in HD 4K, create watch lists, and resume playback across devices. Internet access with a minimum of 5 Mbps is required.